Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. BLURRR here. I am styling. Free. Check out, look at my socks. Styling. Look at these bad boys. Look at these bad boys. Crazy, right? Kinda matching too. Kinda matching. Okay. Yo, so you see the storm out there? It's freaking crazy. It's freaky crazy. I've never seen that much snow before in my life. So something's going on in the atmosphere, planet Earth. People bugging out. I see why. But holy cow, whoa. That's the doorway. Whoa. Look at this thing. Holy. Whoa, that's crazy. Look at this thing.
How did you hold my nail?
No, you didn't. Yeah.
Who's the porn office?
Ah, I don't know. Whoa.
To go to the sound of the firing sound.
I can't believe I'm actually alive on planet Earth as a human being right now. I shouldn't even be here. But I'm here, so I'm gonna make the best of it. I started watching The Ultimate Fighter yesterday, the show. Season 1, I'm on like episode 5. Bring that up because Ash Wdnesday is coming up in 4 days. Now I'm gonna go to the Chinese buffet. I'm gonna eat like a madman. I'm gonna have the final supper. Go crazy Tuesday before Ash Wdnesday. I'm gonna go crazy on the tea. I'll document that. I'll put that up. Chinese buffet gonna be awesome. Chinese New Year is it tonight or tomorrow? Sunday. The Chinese New Year coming up. Year of the Snake. Crazy. I think I'm gonna celebrate Chinese New Year on YouTube, like watching people posting from China. I want to take part in this, so I'm gonna try to watch as many videos, respond, make a video blog, and try to get into the spirit. Year of the Snake, so they're kind of worried about that over there in China. Respect. So that's coming up. Got the Ash Wednesday. I'm disciplining myself. I'm training the physical machine. It's this physical machine, you gotta command it to do stuff while here on planet Earth. So Ash Wednesday coming. That's a 40-day, 40-night. I'm giving up meat. All sorts of stuff. No cursing, no lying. Even on a doctor's form. It's like, does this run in your family? No, because you just want to check it quick. Discipline, that's what it's all about. Discipline, obedience. I make it through the 40 days, 40 nights. I am making it through the 40 days, 40 nights. And after I prove the discipline, I prove it to myself, I guess to myself, to God, whatever. Once I prove it, then we'll see what spawns creations after that. And I got 2 art projects I'm working on. Self-portrait on a... No, it's not an ego thing, like I'm making a self-portrait. Like, how dare this guy make a self-portrait of himself, man? Because I came up with, it's just a creative idea. I don't look in the mirror, ever. I never want to look in the mirror again as long as I live. I don't know exactly why. Some weird superstition, I don't know. Feel like Frankenstein, I don't know. So I got these oil pastels. I got this clothing, so I'm gonna make the self-portrait, and then I could be like standing next to it, and it'll be on a mirror. Instead of me looking in the mirror, I see this self-portrait. Fierce, you know, blur, blah, blah. And then I could be like, next to it with the clothes, on the fire hat. And I'm making a dream universe table. It's where you, on this cloth on the table, Knights of the Round Table, it's like an oblong table, right? And you put God in the middle, right? Because that's everything. That's the biggest necessity to accomplishment. God in the middle. You underneath yourself, blur. Connected, 2 pieces, formulate. Then you draw it like a universe, like each set of dreams fall into a set of steps. But each dreams is a galaxy. And the little dreams lead into the big dream in the center of the galaxy, like the Milky Way. You would see it like that. Like little planets, solar systems leading to the bigger dream. And this has to be carefully orchestrated. So it's going to be like a work in progress. Right now, the first dream goal is the 40 days, 40 nights. To make it into the rabbit hole. To be connected in line with destiny. Ciao. This is the snow, the wreak havoc. We're still alive. Either way, we go to heaven. So, that's the biggest accomplishment any human being could accomplish. Is to have your soul away from this physical machine, ready for departure at any moment possible. So this is the aftermath of Snowstorm. Freaky Nemo. They name it Nemo? After a children's cartoon character? That's when I knew this was going to be a horrible storm. Like, what's his name? 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 What the heck's his name, man? Robin Williams. In the comedy, he said, you know, they never name these hurricanes after, like, bad people like Billy Bob, Billy Ray. Like, what's this hurricane all about? I'm gonna mess things up. That's what I'm gonna do. Like Hurricane Billy Ray. That's what Robin Williams said in the skit. Or he said, like, Hurricane Ike Turner. And then you got Tina Turner like, oh, you better gather your things and get out of town. Because Ike he never does nothing nice. And when I say never, I mean never. Like, when they name, what I'm saying, the point is when they name a hurricane or a storm after something very innocent, children's cartoon character, you know it's gonna be bad. That's my point. Blur. Get at me. Subscribe. Peace.
Say cheese.